Good morning, everybody. Good morning. It is Tuesday, February 28th, and it is the day that you get that crunchy little nacho thing with all the meat inside of it. Plant food based if you're one of those hippies. Oh, yeah, you're not called hippies anymore. You're called woke or some shit like that. Anyway, Tuesday. Happy Tuesday. Happy Tuesday. Uh, Yesterday, man, we got the green close, and it was below the open. We've not been doing really well with back to back green closing. So, today being the last day of the month, being how we've discussed this, that monthly ranges have been 300 at a minimum, still leaving it open that we could drop down to that 38.95, 39.05 area today. I can't tell you where any kind of catalyst is going to come from, but there's an opening to get down to around that 39.10 today. So I might not trade. Um, Only because it's been a lot of fun to watch. And here's what we got going here. The VIX, the VIX is right on this 2102. Capturing 2102 and sending it lower is very good for the bulls. So again, not requiring the SPX to make a 300-point move, but it's definitely there that it is a possibility. So I'm leaving it at that. Looking at SPX, when we dropped down there on Friday, right down to that 200-day moving average, got a half decent bounce. Thought we were going to get back up to that 39.80. We didn't. And then we dropped back down, and we spent the entire day. Actually, this needs to get moved all the way over to Friday's close, right around there. And yeah, we spent the entire day down there below 39.80. But then Monday, yesterday, had that nice big gap up, great gap up, right up to our 40.20. And then,
Oh my God!
and as bad as that scorpion looked, man, that was a horrific move down there to the downside. We almost completely filled that gap, which I have to make an adjustment for you and waste your time. Almost filled that gap. And on top of that gap, what we've got when we come out here on a 5-day is the ping pong zone. Ping pong, ping pong. This is what the market has been doing now for more than a week. You're getting that 39.80, 40.20, 39.80, 40.20, 39.80, 40.20. And again, we're open to make a move down here to the lower edge. I can't show you where the catalyst is coming from, but again, because we got the full moon coming up here in a couple of days for the window, not necessarily required that they do it here for February, but I'll definitely leave it open that we could be getting down lower as we head into later in the week. Here we are on SPY. SPY, we had a little bit of a downside move overnight, and suddenly now we're up 3 points. We're up 3 points green. But again, these sell-offs, bounces, sell-off, bounces, sell-off, they've just been really, really aggressive to the downside and really, really quick. So I'm not taking any chances with today. Take me up to ping pong, I'll play. Take me down from ping pong, I'll play. But while we're inside this ping pong zone, not someplace that I'm going to be trading. So again, coming over here with your SPY and looking over here at your futures. Again, we're just projecting here where we could be headed for on our downside. It would be very fitting how we made that visit down to the 200-day moving average, right to that 161.8 extension. But what we can't rule out, and I will not rule out, is that we've got a tiny little 4 bounce coming up here and then another major move to the downside to wipe it all out. It's all over. Full moon comes, Jerome Powell speaks, and March just starts to climb right back up to where we began over here in February. and we go forward. So, with it being February the 28th, the last day of the month, considering yesterday was Monday, and it was money, we had some great trades over there on the spreads. The 40-25, 40-20s, 78% if you got that best trade. The 39.80, 39.75s, I told you had to be a little bit crazy, but worked out, paid full credit. Safe trade, full credit, everything. So again, with yesterday being Monday, today. 'Cause it's Taco Tuesday.